All right, fam. Walmart Spark, Sam's Club, just a one item, flat screen TV. Tip is $20, so should be easy breezy, huh? Walmart Spark, Sam's Club, just one flat screen TV. Let's go. All right, so at the door, you show them you're a Walmart Spark shopper. Yeah, you're in. All right. Guess we can just go straight to the member service. Let's go, huh? So here's all the TVs. It's right next to the front door. Pretty simple. All right, fam, I found it. 55. Wow, only $2.29. That's one hell of a bargain. That's a deal, fam. And I think you don't even have to pay. I mean, you just show them the pass at the door. So it's prepay. That makes it even faster. This cart is having problems. It's actually a different cart than I came in with, but we'll work with it, huh? So just show the employee your app, and you're good to go. So the shopping time is like what, 5 minutes? Yeah. Pretty good order. Let's go. All right. That's why I like crossover. It's very practical. Crossover for the win. But you know what I be telling these cheap ass mofo, right? If you don't want to tip me Mac Greens, I'm gonna steal your flat screen. Let's go. All right, so I texted the customer, said I was on my way. Sometimes these customers, they're not even home, and this is going to downtown Denver, so most likely either A is front door or B they have to sign for it. Yeah, you can't leave these kind of items outside. Yeah, of course not. What else? Yeah, let me know in the comments. Do you enjoy Spark? Yeah, Spark is hit or miss. Some markets is good, some is not good. In Denver, it's okay. Yeah, there's some good zones, there's some bad zones with Walmart Spark. But once again, I multi-app and cherry pick. Yeah, I just miss multi-apping with 3 food delivery apps. Yeah, that's when I was at my peak. 3 food delivery apps, multi-tapping and cherry picking. All right, local time is what, 3:05 p.m. Hopefully the customer's home. Not that's gonna be a, well, sometimes these orders, sometimes it's better to return it. Yeah, I had this incident like 3 weeks ago. Walmart Spark shopping order from Walmart. I took it there, waited like 8 minutes for the customer. He's not home. I had to take it back to Walmart, and I got paid like almost double, I think. Yeah. So yeah, we'll see. This guy tips me $20. I don't want to do that shit to him, man. Yeah. So hopefully he's home and everything is smooth sailing, huh? Let's go. All right, so just like I predicted it, customer not home. I sent him the text when I was arriving, and it requires signature. Texted him, call him, no answer. So I'm gonna take it back, and I'll keep you posted on the earnings, huh? Shout out to my dude Oleg. Oleg, he drives Uber Black. He's Russian. Yeah. Shout out to Oleg. Met him at the gas station on 11 Broadway. All right, let's go get a cart and return this. Yeah, man, I think I've been having allergy this year or something. Yeah. It's fucking summer and fucking blow out mucus and shit. So I'm gonna drop off this, return this TV and go home, take a little nap, huh? Hey guys, so update on the order. So I only got $18 out of that one item shop and deliver for Sam's Club. So the pay is 18, the tip is 20, but due to I did not, the customers not home, and so I only got the base pay, which is $18. Minus the $20 tip. So I guess it turned out to be a bad order since the customer's not home. So as far as I know, I did not get paid for the return trip. Maybe it takes a few days for the earnings to be updated, but so far I only got $18 for that order.